Hello students, welcome to the class of Organization of Commerce and Management, Standard 12, Chapter 9, Part 1, Financial Market. Now first of all children, let us know what is financial market. The term financial market refers to all those organizations and institutions which lend funds to business enterprises and government or public authorities. Financial market वो सब इंस्टीट्यूशंस और ऑर्गेनाइजेशंस को मिला के बनता है जो बिजनेस चलाने के लिए फंड्स को लोन पे देता है. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स is an institution, or we can say an arrangement that facilitates the exchange of instruments like shares, debentures, commercial papers, bills, treasury bills. In other words, a financial market is arrangement for facilitating buying and selling of financial assets or securities और फाइनेंशियल क्लेम्स. जब हम बाय एंड सेल करते हैं फाइनेंशियल एसेट्स इलेक्ट्रॉनिक वे से, दैट इज इलेक्ट्रॉनिकली, व्हेन वी बाय एंड सेल शेयर्स, डिबेंचर्स, म्यूचुअल फंड्स, कमर्शियल पेपर्स, कमर्शियल बिल्स, दैट मार्केट इज टर्म्ड एज फाइनेंशियल मार्केट. फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स मेनली इंक्लूड्स capital market and money market. Now children, in the chart it is clearly mentioned money market means short term funds, while capital market जहां पर हम अपना इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं for medium time और for long term funds. Now chart of financial market is given to us in textbooks on page number 100, which you can visualize on your screens. Financial market is divided under two broad heads in India, that is capital market and money market. Capital market includes two different markets, that is primary market and secondary market, which is widely known as stock exchanges. Now let us study in this video in detail what is money market. Children, money market is a mechanism that deals with the lending of short-term funds. Short-term means that is less than 1 year's time. A segment of financial market in which financial instruments with high liquidity and very short time period are traded. That is termed to be money market. So, children, money market is said to be a market for short-term instruments, and it means market for assets which are close substitutes of money, जिनका बाय सेल हम इजीली कर सकें ताकि उनका लिक्विडिटी अच्छा हो, हमको जब चाहिए वो पैसे में कन्वर्ट हो जाए. उनका मैच्योरिटी पीरियड इज मैक्सिमम ऑफ लेस देन 1 year. There are two parties in the money market. One is the leader and other is said to be the borrower. Reserve banks, commercial banks, cooperative banks, etc. are mainly included in the group of money lenders. वो हमें पैसा प्रोवाइड करते हैं, while जो पैसा लोन पे लेता है, that is farmers, traders, state governments, central governments, are said to be the borrowers of money. Money market is not a physical location, उसकी कोई fixed place नहीं है, but a group of various institutions जो मनी में डील कर रहे हैं, जो हमें जरूरत आने पर हमें पैसा प्रोवाइड कर रहे हैं शॉर्ट टर्म के लिए, वो जगह को मनी मार्केट कहा जाता है. और जो हमें पैसा दे रहा है, दैट कम्स अंडर मनी मार्केट. शॉर्ट एंड सिंपल डेफिनेशन of money market we can learn in our textbooks, that is money market is a market for dealing in short term financial assets having high liquidity with close substitutes of money which can be easily converted into cash. Now let us begin with characteristics. As we learnt in the definition, these are short term funds which are borrowed or which are lent. As I told you, there is no fixed place. Money market एक जगह का नाम नहीं है. It is a cluster of all such banks, all such financial institutions which provide us with money. Dealings conducted with or without the help of broker. You can directly go there, ask for the help for money, whatever required, and you can hire a broker for doing this job. Financial assets being converted into money with ease. As we learned कि without loss, with ease, with speed, हम मिनिमम ट्रांजैक्शन कॉस्ट के साथ इसको कन्वर्ट कर सकते हैं. लिक्विडिटी इसकी हाई रहती है एज इट इज फॉर अ वेरी शॉर्ट ड्यूरेशन, लेस देन 1 year. Presence of large number of sub markets. There are various people trading in this, that is call money, bill rediscounting, treasury bills. This we will be learning in our next video, that what are treasury bills, bill rediscounting and call money. The success and operation of money market depends on the banking system and financial institutions. Most of the financial institutions and financial instruments are debt instruments. Now, let us learn what is organized money market and unorganized money market. Indian money market, children, is divided under 2 broad heads, that is organized money market or organized sector and unorganized sector. आप चार्ट में देख सकते हो क्या क्या आ रहा है, उससे ही आपको डेफिनेशन क्लियर हो जाएगी. ऑर्गेनाइज सेक्टर में आता है आरबीआई, कमर्शियल बैंक्स, कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स, दैट इज स्टेट कोऑपरेटिव, डिस्ट्रिक्ट कोऑपरेटिव, प्राइमरी कोऑपरेटिव बैंक्स. वाइल in unorganized sectors we have indigenous banks, money lenders. This way it is very well clear with us that organized markets, there are standardized rules and regulations. हमको चार्ट देख के पता चल गया ऑर्गेनाइज में कौन कौन इंक्लूडेड है. All types of banks means which work under RBI and which have specific rules for their working, for their financial dealings. There is also a high degree of institutionalization and instrumentalization. These markets are subject to strict supervision and control by RBI. Completely RBI के control के अंदर काम करते हैं. That is organized market. Now, जो हमने आगे पढ़ा, that is capital market and money market. जो financial market के 2 types हैं, वो किसके हेड के अंदर आते हैं चिल्ड्रन? That is a organized money market. I feel it is clear to you now कि financial market is divided under 2 broad heads, that is money market and capital market. जिसमें capital market क्या है? Which is for trading for long term funds. हम लंबे समय के लिए जहां पर इन्वेस्टमेंट या बोरोइंग्स करते हैं, that is capital market. While money market जो हमने अभी पढ़ा, मनी मार्केट कोई जगह का नाम नहीं है, पर इन सब इंस्टीट्यूशंस का एक क्लस्टर है, एक ग्रुप है जो हमें फंड्स प्रोवाइड करते हैं फॉर लेसर देन 1 year ऑफ टाइम. नाउ ये कैपिटल मार्केट और मनी मार्केट, इंडियन मार्केट, फाइनेंशियल मार्केट के अंडर में एज आई टोल्ड यू 2 हेड्स आते हैं, ऑर्गेनाइज्ड एंड अनऑर्गेनाइज्ड. ऑर्गेनाइज्ड मतलब जो एक स्पेसिफिक रूल्स पे वर्क करते हैं, परफेक्ट रूल्स फॉलो करते हैं, परफेक्ट गाइडलाइंस में आरबीआई के अंडर में वर्क करते हैं. तो दीज कैपिटल मार्केट एंड मनी मार्केट कम अंडर ऑर्गेनाइज्ड सेक्टर. While what is unorganized money market? Unorganized money market is informal. जैसे let us take an example कि आपको पैसे की जरूरत थी, आपने फ्रेंड्स में से किसी से हाल फिलहाल उतने पैसे ले लिए, आपको कहीं फीस भरनी है, आपने फ्रेंड्स से पैसे ले लिए, फ्रेंड्स के पेरेंट्स से पैसे ले लिए और हाल फिलहाल उसका पेमेंट दे दिया. There is no specific rule and regulation. It is completely informal. So this way we learnt in the chart that this includes indigenous banks, money lenders, श्रॉफ्स, लैंडलॉर्ड्स, जो बिना किसी रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस, जो आरबीआई के रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस को फॉलो नहीं करते, बट दे हैव देयर ओन रूल्स एंड रेगुलेशंस. अपने हिसाब से वो पैसा वसूल करते हैं. अगर कोई पेमेंट नहीं करता तो दे हैव देयर ओन वेज ऑफ गेटिंग द मनी बैक. दे आर Activities of unorganized money market have developed in rural areas in India, though it is also found in urban areas somewhere. So I feel, children, it is very clear to you now that Indian money market is divided under two heads, that is organized sector, unorganized sector. Organized sector में आता है हमारा financial market के दो heads, that is capital market and money market. So organized sector works on complete rules and regulations, while unorganized sector do not come under RBI regulations, so have their own rules and regulations and own ways of getting their money back. So this way we complete with our first video. Go through textbook, read all points clearly. In the next video, we will start with instruments of money market. जो अभी आपने नाम सुने थे, treasury bills and all, वो सब का detail explanation we will be learning in the next video. Thank you. See ya. Take care. Keep studying.